Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I will discuss with you how to make money online 2022. Okay, so here I discuss with you from online lottery to suffering employees at home. There are lots of popular get rich quick money making ideas that always pop up. Do they art? Not really. Well, will you make money doing it? Maybe, but you will decide properly, make money from your 9 to 5 job, at least then it's a guaranteed paycheck. Okay. The true is there are real way to make money online. Millions of people are doing it each day, from freelancer digital to survey marketers to leasing. There are plenty of business idea you can try at home using your laptop and a social internet connection. So let's break down some real ways to make money online. How to make money online? Okay. Start drop shipping. Let's start our discussion with one of the most popular ways to make money online. According to Google Trends, drop shipping's popularity is rising, highlighting its visibility as a business idea with success stories about how an made a throw in 8 weeks or how a store owner made six figures selling just one product. There's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a real way to make money online. If you don't know what dropshipping is, the business model where you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores packages and ships product to your customers on your website. With substitute shipping, you have access to millions of products that you can add to your store. Some substitute dropshipping apps allow you to hand pick your product images, leave item description, and give your business personalized vibe. So people will love shopping with the dropshipping model. Customer, okay, customer place order, your store supplier, in your customer. Ways to make money dropshipping, most have been forcing a few marketing, running Facebook ads, having influencers promote their products, sending direct messages, ready to start a store but need a unique product to sell, and take enjoy online, go buy products for the price. Number two, try print or demand. Print or demand POD is another popular way to earn money online. My voice is so loud. Sorry for that. Many individuals have adopted this business model because it has lower overhead than other businesses. Print or on demand is similar to drop shipping in the sense that you don't need to carry inventory or ship out products to customer yourself. There are two side difference. So first, you can make money on customer product. Voice is great for brand recommendation. Second, you can choose from a specific item rather than a vast range of categories. Most print or demand companies offer products that are easy to print on, like t-shirt, mugs, and tote bags.